Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to check if Windows 11 is activated or not. So there is a step-by-step guide without wasting the time. Simply just tap for Window. After just tap for settings. So just tap for settings, and after, as you can see, there is an option of system settings. So just tap. After, you will be just search in this find a setting search for activation. So as you can see, the last option is activation settings. So just tap, and after, as you can see, right now my window is 10 Pro and my window is activated with a digital license. So if you have Windows 11, so you will be also right now this status if active, so it will be just see activated. If not, so it will just write not activated. So that's it. Thank you.